I don't think it's reasonable to say that the latest Cretaceous seas were more dangerous than modern seas, but I have to tell you that an animal like a mosasaur would be a very formidable predator.
These Deinosuchus have only seconds to live.
Highly adorned, Stethacanthus was the master predator of the Paleozoic. What was it like in the time when sharks ruled? When evolution did, nothing that swam escaped its hungry gaze. With double...
Bug-eyed trilobites swim upside down. Tiny mammal, an Unnuakomys, is napping the day away, so our couple doesn't pay him any mind.
At 25 meters long or more, this monster, called Leedsichthys, is the largest fish ever to have lived. 65 million years ago, it plunged straight towards Earth, to a planet ruled by dinosaurs, where T-Rex reigned unchallenged. He was as heavy as an elephant. His meter-long jaw was